The
The
unheard
universe has
sound of
sound,
space.
not with ears but with instruments, revealing a mysterious symphony beyond our perception. Wait for number 3. It's a steady hum that won't go away, intriguing scientists and stirring curiosity. The solar wind whistle, charged particles making low tones echoing through the vastness of space. Planetary magnetospheric hums. Planets sing in radio waves, creating an otherworldly melody in our solar system. Cosmic microwave anomaly. A steady low hum in a region of space perplexing researchers with its origins. Interstellar plasma tones. Waves and charged gas producing repeating notes hinting at the vibrational secrets of the universe. Pulsar beats. Near-perfect rhythmic hums from spinning stars captivating astronomers with their precision. Background drone. Faint, steady energy across the whole sky, a cosmic soundtrack that envelops us all. Which cosmic hum chills you most? Comment the number. Like, share, follow, think like Louis. Subscribe and hit the bell for part 2. The mystery of the universe invites